Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by to see what I am up to. And today I have the Ipsy Plus box, and this is for June of 2020. And I slit the tape just a few moments ago, and here's the card for the box. It's Make Waves, and they are not including in their card like they used to the list of products, which I wish they would go back to, because that helped us greatly with, you know, a little tiny bit about the product, the value, stuff like that. So I just real quickly looked them up. So it is Make Waves is the theme. And Ipsy Plus, I'll show you the box, is $25 a month. And you pay free shipping, but I know there's tax. You get 5 full-size products. It always says discover yourself. And we do get to customize 1 product per box and bag, even for the regular Ipsys, and they promise a value of over $120 in the plus. So I did write down everything. This way I would have prices. And this is the cute bag this month, and this feels like leather. Cute, cute bag, tassel. You know, the interior, you know, yellow with the Ipsy tag. So these bags are cute, and I do share them in giveaways just because it's easy for me. I have so many of them. So we're going to get right in, and I'm going to do the first item that I have on my list, and it is from Ciate London, and this is the Marbled Metals eyeshadow in Entwine, and this has a $24 value, and I'm just using my trusty scissors to help me get into everything. I have not opened any of the boxes, but I just looked up prices. So this is the container right here. You can get a little hint of what the color is. Let's open the top, and it is sealed. Let me hold this way. And a little bit did come out on the lid. You can see there. So this is what the inside looks like. So that's nice. Their presentation of product is always very, very nice. And that $24, that's a lot of money for 1 shadow, but not a problem. The next item that was in my box is from Nacific, and this is a fresh herb eye cream with a value of $30. It's expensive. This is Origin eye cream with calendula. Only essential ingredients from nature, and this is sealed. So let's open this up and see if we can at least see what the packaging looks like. Where's the tape? I hate when they seal both ends. I mean, it's nice, but I'm always afraid I'm going to cut myself with the scissors. So and I don't want to destroy the box in case I share it with in a giveaway. So okay, we're in the box. And this is what the product looks like. I'm just trying to, it's so hard to tell. Let's see if there's any safety seals. There is a safety seal, which is nice. Sometimes with my light, I can see how full these products are. This one must be like a clear, on the clearer side, because I can't see if it's full or not. But this is 30 ml, so that's a good size for an eye cream. So that, and for $30, why not? That pays for the price of the box. It's only $25 plus tax. I think it comes out to almost $27 or something like that. So the next thing I am excited about, and this is from Tula. Tula is a very good brand. I have a cream. I do have like their face wash that I think I got as an add-on from Ipsy. Love it. Had heard so many great things about their skincare line, so I'm excited for this. And this is Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen SPF 30, and it is a gel. Value $36. Let's see if we can get into this. Let's see what this one looks like. This is nice. Nice size. And this is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. I always like if there are, and this does not have a safety seal, but this is, you know, no scent that I can smell of, which is good for sunscreen. Summer is upon us, or coming right up on us, so I'm excited to have a sunscreen. What's next? What is next? Ooh, we'll do this one next. and this is from Haus Laboratories, and this is Lady Gaga's brand. And this is LeRiot gloss. Why can't I say Riot gloss. And this is in the shade, let me see if I can, I don't know if that'll come up or not, Venus. And let's see what this color looks like. I have not, like I said, I have not opened any of the actual boxes. I just looked at the prices. So this is very cute packaging. I have seen this on others. I think Kelly Strack was the first one that I saw the Haus Lab stuff on. So that's nice. Let's see if there's any. No scent whatsoever. Well, that's a pretty color. I can't wait to wear that. And I love Lady Gaga, so if I like this kind of stuff, I will purchase from her. Let me get this back in the box properly so it'll close. So that has an $18 value, which is really fairly priced for, you know, a lip gloss, and especially from celebrity type, you know, she is a celebrity, a singer. $18 I don't think is unfair. And then the last item is a palette, and I did choose this as my choice item, and this is from Laura Geller, and this is the Urban Garden palette in Central Park. It's a $14 value, and let's see, let's get into this box. And I love Laura Geller. I use her powder foundation all the time. Packaging is beautiful. It's like that matte feeling. It does have a mirror, so maybe I'll just cover this up with my hand. It does have a protective shield, and this is what it looks like. Very cute. And this is, where did I read something on here? Face, eye, and cheek palette, it says on the front, which makes a sense with the blushes. You have, looks like you have like a bronzer highlighter-ish, a blush, the Strawberry Fields, and the eyeshadows are very neutral, so maybe something that I would like to try. Like I said, I love Laura Geller products in general. I love her brow products. She has a brow marker, like pen type thing that has 3 points on it, like bristles, and you just take it through and you can do fine hairs in the beginning. Really nice. I ran out, so I've been using a different brand because I like the brow tints also, but I love her brow brush, her foundation. She has her lip products. She has a lot of great products, so I'm a huge fan of Laura Geller. So this is the Ipsy Plus Make Waves for June 2020. So with all the pricing, oh, and that was $14, the palette. So fairly priced right there. So this value of this box is $122 for a $25 price tag. So that's not bad. And I'm excited for everything in here. I've never tried the sunscreen from Tula, the Nacific eye cream. I'm always excited about. I think I'm probably, oops, and that just hit the floor. Oh, yeah. Horrible. I'm most excited for the Haus Labs lip product. I mean, I am a lip junkie. And then I'm also super excited about the, just put it back in the bubble wrap, the Laura Geller palette. So those 2 items I'm probably the most excited for, and the others I am excited to try, just not as maybe as much as those 2 items. I think this was a good box for this month for June. With summer coming on us, you know, an eye cream, a skincare, a little palette, and this would be great to pack because you can pretty much use just that. I'm not a fan of these kinds of shadows, but I love to share them in my giveaways, and the bags are cute, and I share them in giveaways too. So this is a win-win for both, whoever wins the giveaway and myself. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope everyone is doing well and starting to enjoy a little bit more freedom getting out there and starting to enjoy the nicer weather. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.